Welcome to Digital Income Strategies. Here I reveal all the strategies that you can use to create and multiply your income from digital sources. Let's become millionaires together. Today we will be creating a kids planner to sell on Amazon KDP. Alternatively, we can sell a digital version of the same exact planner that we make on Etsy as well. Heading over to Amazon to do some research. So we're gonna type kids planner. Okay, and I'm gonna look through here so you can see it's selling for anywhere between 15 to 19. Oh, we have $35 as well. I'm just gonna sort it. Okay, so here we see quite a bit of reviews. I'm gonna actually do bestsellers to see how many are selling. So 1K bought in the last month for this one, and it's about $18. Tons of reviews I see here. 600 plus bought, 800 plus bought. So clearly we can see there's demand. Heading over to KDP. Royalty calculator, we're gonna input the size, 8.5 by 11, amazon.com, page count would be 124, $18. And here you see 4.59 is what we would get in our pocket. So if you sell 10 per day into 30 for the month, and you can make 4 of these for each of the seasons, and then 3 would be, because we're making a gender neutral one, you could make a girls and a boys one. So you saw there it was about 16,000 a month you could get. Heading over to Etsy. So now on Etsy, these are all digital versions of them. The only thing with Etsy is they have fees. So one upfront fee is $15 when you sign up, then it's 20 cents, and on top of that it's 6.5%. So even if we sell it for say $5, I'm gonna minus the 6.5% and the 20 cents from it. So that comes to about 65 cents. Even after that, you could be making around 15,000 a month just from Etsy. So 16,000 from Amazon, 15,000 from Etsy. So this is upwards of $31,000 in your pocket. Heading over to Canva, let's get this planner started. Our width is 8.5, height is 11. And now I'm gonna search for planners. So Canva already has great templates, and we're just gonna go through and see what they have, and we're just gonna personalize these templates. Ooh, I like this one, getting rid of their default dino on there. I'm gonna put my own. Changing the size here, pulling this up. I do need to include a Sunday on here because it only has 6 days for some reason. So I'm just gonna copy and paste one of these days right here. Oh no, it didn't work. Okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna rename this day as Sunday, and there you have it. Just adjusting the size slightly to make it look appealing, and the color. Ooh, I like this one. Okay, just need to squish everything slightly upwards so our dinos can fit. There we go. I like the look of this. I'm gonna copy, make duplicates of this. We are gonna need about 10 of these weekly ones because we're doing the whole season. So we're gonna do it for summer. Now I'm gonna do a daily planner. So we have the weekly done, we need to get the daily done. For the daily planner, just changing the font a little bit, making sure it goes with our theme, making these backgrounds white. This dinosaur needs to go. Ooh, I like this. Maybe just on the top. Let's see on the bottom. No, I don't like it on the bottom. Okay, yeah, this is the one that's gonna go on the bottom. Perfect. I'm just changing the color of this to white as well. Needs a background. There we go. So now it matches our theme. We just need a date on there as well. So I'm just gonna copy, paste, and I'm gonna change that to date. So there we go. Every day of the season, you have a planner. And I'm just gonna make a bunch of copies of this. So we probably need about 60 or 90 copies of this because it's gonna be for 3 months. Just duplicating that here, making sure I have enough to start. Okay, and then now we need a monthly planner. Oh, wrong page, new page, monthly planner for kids. We need a calendar essentially. Okay, changing this up to make it more like our theme. All of the boxes need to be white and the font needs to be changed. Okay, looks much better now. Perfect. Just placing that there. Sizing it a little bit. Okay, now I just need to change the color to kind of match our theme. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, need to make these straight. Okay, that looks nice. Ooh, looks better without the white. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. Let's see what this is. Yeah, I'm gonna place this up top, sticking to our dino theme. I need 2 dinosaurs for the bottom, one on the left, one on the right. This one goes here. I like that, just gonna readjust it. And the second one goes on the other side. Perfect. So I really do like this for the monthly ones. And now it seems like we have our weekly, our daily, and our monthly ones. What I'm gonna quickly do is adjust them. So monthly planner, we need 3 of those, just putting that, and then I'm gonna put the weekly planner and then 7 days for the daily planner, then again weekly, then 7 days for the daily planner, and then again weekly. So doing that for 4.5 weeks per month. So essentially 5 weekly planners and then like 30 days in between. Just quickly doing that here now. Okay, just duplicating them to make sure we have the correct order. Okay, happy with that. Now we need is our cover page. So I'm gonna go ahead, add a page, and we're gonna design our cover page. Let's go back to our original inspiration. No, there's too much going on. Okay, original inspiration back. Okay, we're gonna go ahead, get rid of all the days, and here we go, kids summer planner. It looks too plain. This border doesn't help. Okay, I'm gonna go to this background. This is really cute. Okay, I just need to get rid of the giant dino in the back. Okay. The size would be nicer. Just copy paste and adjust them so that everything aligns. Okay, and bringing the writing to the front. Okay, and now we can clearly see it. Now I need something that pops. So the colors, yellow is a good summer color, and with an outline it looks great. Outline needs to be darker. Let's see here. Okay, I love this one. Okay, awesome. Now what I'm gonna do is just adjusting that there, size wise. Let's make it my summer planner instead of kids. I think it's just more appealing. And I'm looking for something that's like summerish. So that dinosaur enjoying summer, maybe this kid and the sun. No, too tacky. I don't like that. This dinosaur is cute. No. Ooh, I like this one. The sun is a bit too much. No, not really. Okay, the sun needs to go. And this looks great as our final kids planner for the summer. So here we go. Oh, okay, I think I just made it for 2 months and I'm just adding another month in there. So now it comes to 124 pages. Perfect. All you need to do now is download it. There we go. And upload it to Amazon KDP, where they would actually sell a hard copy of this, and sell it on Etsy, where you can sell a digital copy of it, wherein people would just buy it and download the PDF. On this journey to becoming a millionaire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building passive digital income streams through creative entrepreneurship. Until next time, happy earning!